Sorry, sewing machine. Not your day. Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Canada. Yes, like the country. No, I haven't been there. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing some fabric that I bought late at night, so I don't actually remember what's in the box. And if you enjoy things like unboxings, vintage, sewing, and comedy with a heavy dose of sarcasm, please feel free to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell for post notifications. So today we are going to be taking this box. Sorry, sewing machine. Not your day. And we're gonna find out what's in it. Mwahaha. So I acquired this box in the depths of the night on one evening of eBay shopping shenanigans. My best shopping tends to be done from 12 a.m. until 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know if it's because people in the West Coast are posting. Either way, I find some really good deals in those hours. And so that's when I buy things from eBay, and that also normally means I don't actually remember what's in it. So, let's grab our coffees and open this thing up. All right, here we go. Into the box. Oh, don't cut the fabric. So there should be amazing yardage of 1940s and 50s fabric in here. Let's find out, shall we? That's such... Oh, isn't that cute? They put a little piece of cardboard so you wouldn't actually cut into the daggone thing. And a little card, great, don't care. I mean, I do care, but I don't care. Thanks. All right. Oh, it's so pretty. Here, let me show you guys. So this is what we see when we open the box. And the top one alone just makes me happy. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this. This is exciting. I don't know how well this works. So pretty. And the thing that why I know this is 1940s and 50s fabric, or at least old fabric, is check out that selvage. No white, no holes, no nothing. Mwahaha. I love dark fabrics. They make my heart happy. They're beautiful. I have no idea what this design is. I'm pretty sure it's just abstract. If anyone knows what this is, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Oh, you guys. Oh, it's so much prettier in person. It's brown, it's got little X's and roses. Ugh, that is just gorgeous. Oh, you guys. Oh, I love it when it's on there. Look, it has the little label. I love when they have these little sewn in labels. Sewn on labels? Sewn on labels. But so cute. And look, 4 for $1. I wish. Now, I don't always... Okay, no, I'm a liar. I do always buy white, because it's floral and it's pretty. But I love blues. Blues are my favorite. So blue florals, purple florals, those are my jam. Not that the pinks and the reds aren't lovely and well and good, and also very pretty. I love blue. My husband does not. I don't know why. Okay, this is the one I had a question about. Because they set, so it helps if you show them, this lovely multicolored butterfly situation. I mean, the selvage is correct. It's so pretty. And 1, 2, 3. Mwahaha. I love butterflies. And these, because they have that rainbow appeal, I think will do quite well. And the upside, if this stuff doesn't sell, I love it all, so it can all turn into clothes for me and my daughter. So that's why I buy some of this stuff. And so you guys know, most of the stuff I paid about, it ranged between $3 to $5 a yard, which for reselling is high for fabric, but I love the fact that all of these are true vintage. So for me, even if they don't sell at the price that I'm asking for them, I will eventually use them. So they're not going to go to waste. They're not just going to sit around sad and lonely. They will eventually be made into lovely garments, either by someone else or by me. I like this one. It's so crazy because these colors make me think like 60s. So I'm going to do some more research to see, but it has the same selvage as everything else. I think, as some of us do, because it's in black and white, a lot of us tend to think of only things are drab and dark and colorful. No, things were very colorful. We just couldn't see it because all the photos were in black and white. And the last piece from this box, which is again another lovely floral. It's blue, it's got white and little pink accents. I like this one. This one is a little stiffer. Oh, look at that. Bam. Original stickers, which I love, so that I know that it's, even though it's a little stiffer, it is apparently 100% cotton. Ooh, and I have the RN number, so I'm totally gonna look up and see what this company is. Let's see if it's got a name. Textile RN database search. Yes, please. RN number is 18284. Search. Let's see if it comes up with anything. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Ooh, Calvine Mills Incorporated. Oh, no, West New York, New Jersey. Hey, I lived there for a hot second in my life. And no other information, but that's okay. Still, that's pretty cool. Calvine Mills apparently was the maker of this fine fabric. Now, I'm just looking on this one. Sometimes you can sell these immediately, as is, and some people do. I am now going to be torn because I can actively see that little discoloration there. But it has the original stickers, so I might peel off the original stickers and soak this so that that can come out. If you have a question about how I clean my vintage, I did a video for that. I'll go ahead and pop it up in the card above, and I'll put the link down below so that you can see how I will clean these bad boys. Well, that was quick. Box is empty now. Caw-caw. Well, I guess this video will be a little bit shorter today, but I do hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I found in this lovely box. It was a little bit easier because I had totally forgotten that I bought 3 of 1 print. If you like this video, please feel free to click that like button. And if you want to see more from me as we go along in this journey together, go ahead and click that subscribe button, being sure to turn on that bell for post notifications. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. See y'all next time. Well, hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of Stephanie Records a Video on Her Cell Phone. My husband's phone is buzzing. For the kill. No, just kidding. Gonna open up my husband's phone so I can have 2 angles. Don't ask me how I'm gonna set up the shot, 'cause I don't know. I have nothing in this office to do this with. What if I just stack some things? Block my light? Seriously? All the technology is on for some reason today. Well, maybe that won't work. And I'll cut that all out so you guys don't have to see me attempt that shot. That just failed epically. So there should be epic 1940s and 50 yard. I love it. And I like it.